I just built one.
I didn't cuss. I didn't cuss. Okay.
You got yelled at by your mom.
Okay, hey, you
Guys, chill. Stop.
No, you stop.
Hey, hello. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I just wanted to say Happy Mother's Day.
Ain't no Mother's Day today.
You dumb bitch! Yes it is! Yes it is!
Boy, all right. Thank you, Junior. I appreciate it.
You
Your
are.
mother for all these years.
Thank you.